Planet 9 is building a new digital economy for the future of ads and microtransactions in games.
So does it mean that you're trying to replace ads and in-app purchases with tokens? How does it work?
Yeah, so what we've done is we've built two resources. The first is a fungible resource called Power, which can be earned and spent. The second is a non-fungible resource called Ninium, which can be collected and used in games. What we want to have happen is game developers implement Ninium in their games, and then we leverage that demand to give value to the Power transactions, because that's how you get Ninium. And then we use those transactions to start supplementing and eventually replacing ads and microtransactions.
And does it mean that in the future you could have multiple games using the same cryptocurrencies across multiple games? So if you become good at one game, you could use this currency for another game?
Yep, that's exactly what we want to have happen. So Ninium is a digital asset, and we've constructed it in such a way that it can be used as different sort of items in different kinds of games. So you can imagine it as a weapon in an RPG, or a card in a collectible card game, or a monster in a monster collecting game. Anywhere where you have collection going on in a game, Ninium can replace that.
And are you focused on mobile games, desktop games, console games?
Yeah, we're really platform agnostic. We've built out tools for all gaming platforms, or we're in the process of building them. But mobile gaming seems to be sort of the main niche where you have ad-supported revenues. So we're focusing on that market to begin with.
And do you have issues with App Store rules or stuff like that, or can you actually ship games with cryptocurrencies?
We haven't run into that yet, but that's also probably because we're pretty small. So, we'll cross that bridge as we come to, but we are very familiar with the crypto rules, and we're not quite a cryptocurrency, so I think that we're going to do all right when it comes to the App Store rules.
And when it comes to storing cryptos, does it mean that you run wallets as well?
So we aren't using wallets. Well, we have our own sort of account system that's similar to a wallet, but it's not quite a wallet.
What do you mean by that?
Well, we're not using blockchain. So the usual blockchain constructs like mining and wallets don't quite apply to us. We're more like a traditional account-based system.
All right, thank you very much. That was Zach from Planet 9.